Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AxisVM training course. And the topic for today will be a tool called Stories. The purpose of Stories, this tool, is to make easier to overview and edit the model. So we can have a split by levels, which are these stories. This is a tool that does not affect the analysis result, so it's only a visualization tool. I will make a very, I will call it a building, but in fact it's a very basic design to show how we can handle this tool. So we will start to create a rectangle. So I will give it, for example, 10 meters by 8 meters. So this kind of rectangle. I will change the way we are viewing this. And I will create a couple of elements. The first one, I will create some walls. Okay. And I will choose, it's not very important, but I will choose this Mansory element. I will create this a little thinner, it's not very important, with hinges, and I will simply create a couple of walls like these ones. Okay. Now I'll create a plate. I will increase a little the thickness, and I will change the material, because for the plate I want this concrete. So just doing this, and we can make a shade with textures. So you see I have this kind of element done, one level. I will make a copy from all the elements that we have in our drawing area, incremental method. So we can do, for example, 2. It's not very difficult. So we can create this kind of element very easy. And I will create also a ground floor like this, where I choose these elements. Okay. And of concrete, in this particular case, with more thickness. So okay. And okay, I have this element created. Let us see it again. Not perfect, but for the example it's enough. And the tool, the stories, it is something that we can find through this icon. So the idea of this command is to find the different levels, and we can work with one level at a time. So I don't have any levels identified. I can make an automatic search. So, and the system found the ground floor Z0 level, and because I have 3 meters per level, so I have story 1, story 2, story 3, then we can have some manipulations around this. But basically we can make this kind of visualization and then manage this to work in any particular level that we may want. So stories, it's a very useful tool, and we can use it easy, so it's not complex. We can assess the tool also by Control R, which is also a shortcut. But basically I think it's very easy to understand. It's very easy to start using it, And if you have any questions about this tool, about ways to use it, or any other aspect that we may not mention in this video, we can contact us and we will give you all the necessary support.